Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the self-destruct timer in Telegram step by step. This feature keeps your private messages truly private by automatically deleting them after a set amount of time. Whether you're chatting about sensitive topics or just like keeping your conversations clean, this is a great way to add an extra layer of privacy. First, open Telegram on your phone. Go to the secret chat you have with someone. Remember, this feature only works in secret chats, not in regular ones. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted and designed for maximum privacy, so that's where the self-destruct option is available. Once you're in your secret chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your device, you'll either see 3 dots or a small timer icon. Tap on that. A menu will appear with several options, and you'll want to choose the one that says Set Self-Destruct Timer. Now, you'll see a list of time options you can choose from. It could be as short as 1 second or as long as a week. Pick the time that works best for you. This timer controls how long a message stays visible after it's been read. For example, if you choose 10 seconds, once your contact opens the message, it will automatically disappear 10 seconds later, completely gone. After selecting your preferred time, tap Done. That's it. You've now set the self-destruct timer for your secret chat. Any new messages you send from this point on will follow that timer setting. Your friend will also see a small timer icon in the chat, showing that self-destruct is active. If you ever want to change the timer or turn it off, just repeat the same steps and select a different time or choose off. It's as simple as that. So, the next time you need a little extra privacy, remember this quick Telegram trick. Set your self-destruct timer and enjoy truly secure messaging, knowing your chats won't stick around longer than you want them to.